Hello everybody, my name is Kata and I am a certified personal trainer and group fitness instructor, and I specialize in working with 50 and better. But this tutorial is good for just about anybody who wants to strengthen their core but is also wanting to maintain a very neutral and healthy spine. So today I'm going to cover the curl up. So instead of doing full crunches, we're just going to do just a little bit of a curl up, and I'm just going to show you a couple of different ways to do this. So the first one is you are going to be on your back, knees bent and feet flat on the floor. So for this one, you want to think about keeping a neutral neck position. So a lot of times when we start doing crunches or we start doing curls, what tends to happen is we wind up jutting our chin forward and having it go ahead of our body, or we place our hands behind our head and we wind up tucking our chin and putting a lot of strain on our neck. So you want to imagine that you have an apple beneath your chin. So you just have to hold that apple into place. And you can actually test that by placing your fist between your chin and your chest and trying to find that neutral position. So I like to have people reach their hands up towards the ceiling. You're going to take a nice deep breath in, and as you exhale, you're going to think about lifting your chest towards the ceiling, holding it for a second, and then coming back down again. So we want to make sure that we're not curling and tucking our chin and reaching for our feet. I like to have people reach for the ceiling. So let's try a couple of those. Shoulders are down. Take a nice deep breath in, and as you exhale, think about lifting your entire body towards the ceiling, just getting the shoulders a couple of inches off the ground, and then come back down again. Let's do that again. So nice deep breath in, exhale, and just do a crunch and a little bit of a hold, and then back down again. So another option that you can do is you can place a small rolled up towel, like a tea towel or a dish towel, underneath your back, or if your shoulders are okay with it, you can actually place your hands behind the small of your back. And if you can, as you actively do the curl, try to lift your hands off of the ground just a little bit. Some people find this uncomfortable for their shoulders, so if that's the case, don't worry about doing that or doing this position. And you're going to take one leg straight on the floor, have the other knee bent and the foot flat, and you're going to do the exact same thing we just did. So take a nice deep breath in, and as we exhale, we're going to try to lift our entire body in one piece off of the ground and hold for 3 to 5. And then we're going to exhale and come back down again. Let's try that again. Big breath in, exhale. Good, nice good hold, still breathing. Exhale and come down. Good, and you're going to switch and do the same thing on the other side. So your other foot is straight and the first knee is bent and the foot is flat on the floor. Take a nice deep breath in, exhale. Good, and then just try to lift the entire body in one piece, and notice my shoulders are barely getting off of the ground, my head is neutral, and relax and come back down again. So those are a couple of options for you to do curl ups. So the first one is a curl up that I just do in most of my classes. The second one is what is known as the McGill Curl up. So it's a curl up that was modified and designed by Stuart McGill, who is a foremost back researcher. So if you can't get your hands behind the small of your back, you can always roll up a tea towel or something. So the goal is to try to maintain that neutral spine without a lot of rounding and arching of that low back, but still getting a little bit of strength. So hope that helps a little bit. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please don't hesitate to post them in the comments below. If there are other tutorials that you would like to see, go ahead and ask. I have quite a few on my YouTube page already, so if you do a search, and I believe I already have a playlist of tutorials started. So if you want to get further notifications about my channel, please like my channel And then also click that bell so you will get a notification every time I post a new video. So have a wonderful day, everybody, and keep those spines healthy and strong. Bye.